Once you've created the first information slide, creating the rest is straightforward. Simply duplicate the first slide, and in this case, I'm wanting to have the violin as my heading, so I've copied that from the text slide. I can then select this heading, and instead of going home, paste, text each time, I can use the shortcut Alt-H, V, T, and that will automatically paste as text. And because I'm doing this over and over again, using the shortcut makes sense. I've gone ahead and put in the text, and as you can see, we do have a slight problem. But before I get too worried, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the image. To do this, I'm going to right-click on the image, choose to change picture, and select from this device. Navigate into the support files area, and this time round, I want to insert my violin. As you can see, this has been pre-cropped. If it is too small, we can fix it by going into the picture format area, tapping the crop tool, and we can then edit what we see so that the entire image is displayed if we want. So all I need to do is just move this image up a little bit. And in this case, we do have a small problem with the text being too large. We can go up into the font area and change the font from 36 to 35. You might have noticed that I've put in the violin instead of putting in a guitar, but that's actually okay because we want the guitar to be on the left-hand side, not the right-hand side. So I'm going to dive back into my piano, duplicate it, edit the text, ignoring the designer, and in this case, I do want to move the text over to the right and the image to the left. And it turns out that this works quite well because I can then make this text box slightly bigger so that the text fits and is completely readable. So your job is to go ahead and put in the remaining text and images for yourself. In the next video, I'll show you how you can correctly add in the sound.